Die dormer is een van Suid-Afrika se voorste skaapvleisrasse en bekend as die voorkeurras vir kruisteling. Hierdie jaar se aanbieding van die nasionale dormerveiling beloof om die fenominale genetiese vordering te beklemtoon wat die ras die afgelope paar jaar gemaak het. Kom kyk gerus na die volgende teeler se aanbieding. 2 broersdormers, Welpick dormers, remkuildormers, Cocoa dormers, Igu-dormers, Heringkraansdormers, Droë rivierdormers, Nova Balletta dormers, Renostervallei dormers, Umpukani dormers, Jellicoe dormers, JOR dormers, Merton dormers, Thornpark dormers, Skaapvlei dormers, Helderhoek dormers, Rooihek dormers, Loukie dormers, Janor dormers en Riversfort dormers. These terrific rams exhibiting performance, strength and eye appeal, together with a beautifully wedge-shaped ewes, will showcase the genetic wealth of this exceptional breed. Come and witness the multiple success of collective efforts, of many hands. We are proud of this superb display of quality of breed and their collective worth to the industry. The 21st of September is your chance to choose and take home your favorites. It's an incredible chance not to be missed. You are invited.